Watch this video for the hottest and latest story make you sabi wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. Protest for downtown Los Angeles don enter day 3 as pipo dey vex over immigration raids. Police don declare the area unlawful assembly and dey chase protesters comot. Wahala burst as some cars burn and small looting don happen. One British photographer chop sponge bullet for im eye, e need surgery. One Australian reporter sef collect non-lethal round as e dey do im work. Dis protest open door for Donald Trump to flex im muscle. E don call im National Guard make dem suppress wetin e call left-wing lawlessness even though California Governor Gavin Newsom no gree for am. One reporter tok say Sunday night calm small after serious gbege during the day, but ten sion still dey hang for air. Protests still mainly dey center around downtown Los Angeles. America and China go meet for London on Monday to try settle their long-running trade wahala wey don dey shake global economy. The US team go include Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Trade Rep Jamieson Greer. Dem go join Chinese Vice Premier He Lifeng and im pipo. One of the big issues for table na China rare earth export wey be key material for tech like smartphones and electric cars. US also dey vex say China no gree open the market for dem properly, especially for tech things like semiconductors. Last month for Switzerland, both countries manage reach one small truce, reduce tariff small and give each other 90 days to find permanent solution. But since then, both sides dey accuse each other say dem don break the agreement. Trump tok say im and Chinese President Xi Jinping bin get very good talk last week and Xi don agree to restart trade on rare earth materials, whereas Beijing accuse US say dem still dey block sales of cheap software and dey frustrate Chinese students visa. The matter still hot, but as talks dey come up again, pipo dey hope say both sides go finally gree on better terms wey go slow down global economy. Award-winning British food writer Felicity Clark don waka coast to coast for America on top bicycles just to find out wetin really make American food dey special. For her new book, Peach Street to Lobster Lane, Clark wan prove say Yankee food no be just deep-fried junk. She say she dey chase one food unicorn wey she go wan catch, pour ketchup and pickles on top and chop. For 10 weeks, she circled thousands of kilometers from San Francisco go reach Columbus, Ohio, stop for places like Ivory Island where they produce Tabasco and even jam crawfish by mistake for Houston. From fine sawdust to home of hamburger, she tastes all kinds of food including mad food combos like Taiwanese Tex-Mex. Her mission na to find out if American food get one strong identity or na just creative lifestyle all the way. She tok say Yankee pipo sabi mix food with boldness and serious love, and everywhere she reach, she see culture, history and small surprise for plate. Clark dey use dis her jollof journey to challenge wetin pipo like Gordon Ramsay don talk before say Americans no sabi better food. For her mind, Yankee food na one mad blend of everything with sweet story behind am. Na big win for Sarah Snook and Nicole Scherzinger as dem collect top awards for the Tony Awards wey happen on Sunday for New York. Nicole Scherzinger carry Best Actress for one musical for her role as Norma Desmond for Sunset Boulevard, one fresh remake of Andrew Lloyd Webber musical. As she collect award, she tok say she always feel like outsider before, but now e be like say she don finally find her place. She encourage pipo wey dey feel like say their time never reach, make dem no give up and make dem continue to shine their light. The former Pussycat Dolls singer still hail Jamie Lloyd and Lord Lloyd Webber say dem believe in her when nobody else do before. Glenn Close, wey play Norma for 1995, introduced her emotional performance as if we never said goodbye. Sarah Snook also win Best Actress for Play after she act all 26 characters alone for stage for The Picture of Dorian Gray. She tok say even though na one-woman show, she no ever feel alone because of the solid crew behind and on stage. The Tony Awards, wey Cynthia Erivo host for Radio City Music Hall, showcase the best of Broadway, and this year show say diversity and talent dey shine strong. After more than 10 years of talk, Microsoft don finally show their new console wey hand dey hold. Dem call am Rogue Xbox Ally. The console go allow gamers play their Game Pass games on the go, meaning once you subscribe, you fit access hundreds of games straight from the device. Microsoft dey build dis gadget with Asus, wey don dey run handheld gaming devices since 2023. The Rogue Xbox Ally go drop by end of 2025, but price still dey unknown. Rumour about Xbox wey hand dey hold don dey fly since, but Microsoft just dey start and stop plans. Now, dem don finally land. The announcement come just 3 days after Nintendo launch their Switch 2, another hybrid device wey fit play mobile or connect to TV. People fit say Xbox dey late to enter the game, but as e get native Game Pass support and over 34 million subscribers, e go likely still make serious waves. UK government don talk say dem wan ex ten d ban on one kind bad fishing method wey dem dey call bottom trawling. E be like say dem dey drag big net for ground like bulldozer, dey scatter seabed and carry anything wey enter net. Dem wan move the ban from 18,000 square kilometers to 48,000 square for UK offshore areas wey dem don already mark as protected. But dem go first do 12-week consultation with people wey dey marine and fishing industry before final decision go land. Dis one dey happen as UN Ocean Conference start today for France. Sir David Attenborough don cry out say dis kind fishing dey destroy plenty marine life and seabed. UK Environment Secretary Steve Reed talk say if dem no act fast, oceans go finish be dat. The new plan go affect 41 out of the 181 marine protected areas for England. The goal na to protect rare sea animals and delicate seabed wey dem dey stay. But some fishermen don vex. Dem talk say bottom trawling no bad unless person dey do am for wrong place and say na fast way to catch fish. Greenpeace UK say dis move na long overdue work wey the former government suppose don finish since. Wildlife Trust dey beg make dem do am sharp, say na win-win for nature and climate. Consultation go end by 1st September and na then we go know wetin go happen finally. Israeli forces don block one yacht wey dey carry small humanitarian aid and some activists wey dey go Gaza. Popular climate activist Greta Thunberg and one French lawmaker join 10 others aboard the boat wey dem call Madeleine. Greta say na Israeli forces kidnap them. Israeli Foreign Ministry yab the boat, call am selfie yacht wey no even carry one truckload of aid. The yacht never reach Israeli port city Ashdod as at now, but officials talk say e still dey move go there, even though reports bin talk say e don dock. Palestinian Foreign Ministry don beg make dem protect the activists, while one UN officials dey urge say make more aid ships waka together to support Gaza. Tori wey come from Israel Hayom talk say Israeli National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir don give prison authorities order to prepare separate cells for activists wey dem carry from Madeleine ship. Dem go carry the activists go Givon prison for Ramla after dem land for Ashdod. According to reports, dem go use tinted motor carry the activists go prison make public no too notice. Ben-Gvir still order say make dem no allow the activists carry or show any pro-Palestinian symbol and make dem no get access to TV or radio inside cell. Dem go hold dem small before dem deport dem comot from the country. Wetin first look like kidnap don turn criminal case as Indian police say one woman, Sonam Raghuvanshi, wey bin miss after her husband die mysteriously for honeymoon, don finally surrender and dem don arrest am. The woman, 25, and her husband Raja, 30, just marry on 11 May for Indore and travel go Meghalaya for honeymoon. Dem say dem pick the place because e get fine valley. But just 4 days after dem reach, both of them disappear. Search team with locals comb valley, hills and cliffs. 1 week later, dem find Raja dead body inside one gorge. Him throat don cut and him ring, chain and wallet dey miss. No sign of Sonam anywhere. Family begin shout say maybe she sef don die or kidnappers carry her. Dem even campaign everywhere, accuse Magalaya police say dem no dey do better work. Now police don tok say na Sunan plan di tin, say she hire 4 men to kill her husband. All of dem don land for cell. But Sunan papa still dey defend her say she no fit do dat kain tin. Di matter don cause serious wahala. Raja family even write letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi beg for justice, and dem don carry am go meet top council leader and ministers for dia state. Police still dey investigate, but for now, na heavy shock for both families as honeymoon turn crime scene. And the last one for today, Kenya police don suspend the head of one station and all the officers wey dey duty when Albert Ogwang, 31-year-old teacher and blogger, die for their custody after dem arrest am for false publication on X Twitter. The guy bin dey Homa Bay when dem come pick am, dem carry am waka 350 kilometers go Nairobi. Police talk say he hit head for wall inside cell, but many people no believe that talk. Amnesty International Kenya say the matter dey very suspicious and dem dey call for serious independent investigation. Dem say the way Albert die raise plenty red flags. Albert papa, Meshach Opio, talk say police tell am say im pikin insult one senior person for X. Police later reveal say na Deputy Police Chief Eliud Lagat file complaint say im name dey drag for more. Police Chief Douglas Kanga confirm say the guy collapse for cell during routine check, and na so dem rush am go hospital where dem pronounce am dead on arrival. Now, Independent Police Oversight Commission don carry matter enter hand. Dem promise to do better investigation and ensure say justice go show face. The death of Albert don cause plenty vex online and people dey shout for justice. E even come at a time when concern dey grow about how dem dey treat government critics, just like last week when dem charge Rose Ngeri, one software developer, say e create tool to fight government finance bill. Amnesty Kenya boss Irungu Hunting say e shock dem well say dem no even book Albert for local station before dem carry am go long journey. Im dey beg make investigators secure the crime scene and find out wetin really happen. Post-mortem go happen soon, but for now, wahala dey. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.